If you see any such errors in the command prompt saying Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, this is most probably because of environment variables not set in your path. To fix this, simply head over to the installation folder. By default, it would be under program files, Java, and then the JDK version. Once you are here, head over to the bin folder. Now just copy this path. Now search for environment variables and open this tab. Over here you can see environment variables. Click on that. If you want to set environment variables just for the account that you have logged into, you can edit in the upper panel. Or if you want to set the environment variables for entire system, that is for all the users, then you can set the path over here. So I'll just select this path and then head over to edit. Now I'll just click on new and then I'll simply paste the path that I had copied. I'll just close this with OK and apply and OK. Now try running the command but in a fresh new command prompt. So I'll just open a new CMD and over here I'll type in java-version. As you can see, the problem has been fixed.